When searching for roofers in Memphis, avoid these common mistakes. First, always check for proper licensing and insurance. Never choose a roofer based solely on price. Consider reputation, experience, and material quality. Get a detailed written estimate before work begins. Don't ignore online reviews and testimonials. Lastly, ask about warranties on workmanship and materials to ensure peace of mind. Here are some frequently asked questions about Memphis roofers. How long will it take to replace a roof? It varies based on project size and weather. Do they offer financing? Yes, for qualified customers. What materials are recommended? High-quality asphalt shingles or metal roofing? Is there a warranty? Yes, on both workmanship and materials. How to prevent roof damage? Regular maintenance and inspections. What if there's a leak? Contact them immediately for inspection and repair. Can they help with insurance claims? Yes, they assist with claims. Do they offer emergency repairs? Yes, for urgent situations. Need a new roof? Look for missing shingles, leaks, or an aging roof. Call us today at 901-295-3487 or memphisroofingpro.com.